Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing power. This prevents shorts and protects components. Once the system is off, flip the PSU switch and unplug the cord. Ground yourself. A wrist strap or frequent chassis contact dissipates static. Next, remove the case side panel and set the tower flat so you can see the PCIe slot clearly. Make sure lighting is good. You need clear sight lines to screws, cables, and the card backplate before you proceed. You now disconnect the visible connections. Unplug HDMI/display port cables and then the GPU power plugs, 6, 8, or 6+2 pin, so there's no strain. Once done, remove the screws that fasten the card bracket to the case. Store them separately. Then locate the PCIe retention clip at the end of the slot, press it down or lift the tab, depending on your board, and hold it while you prepare to remove the card. This prevents the latch from You should now grasp the card by its shroud, not the cooler fins, and pull straight out with a gentle rocking motion. Twisting can damage the slot. Once free, place the GPU into an anti-static bag or on non-conductive foam. Reinstall the case panel, reconnect cables, and power up last. If you encounter no post or no display, make sure power connectors are seated, reseat the card, and try another PCIe slot. Sometimes the latch or cable seating is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.